What's up guys, Epic RC here, and we have a new truck for you today. It is a Slayer Pro 4x4. He just picked it up at the hobby shop, and we decided to do a little unboxing for you guys. Want to open it?
Yeah.
No? Alright.
And this is the part where you can't hear anything.
Crinkling shrinks out everything bad. And this is the, what edition is this? Right? Right? It's a Scott Douglas edition. So it's the silver and black one. If you care. Yeah. This is the only one he had. He literally had just picked it up. It came in like 10 minutes before we showed up.
Nice.
Why don't you throw that all away? Why don't you go sideways for them?
What? Oh, this is gonna go like this.
Alright, now moment of truth. If it just go like that. Like alright, moment of truth. Alright, we got radio.
Also,
Bluetooth.
this comes with the stable mansion thing.
Uh-oh, it's upside down. Okay. And here's what you guys can see.
Alright, so
Let's get the boring stuff out of the way.
So here's the fuel bottle. It looks like this. Quite simple.
And in this bag, it comes with the Easy Start battery, Easy Start itself, wall charger for the starter, extra air filter, bag of tools, and your stickers and all that stuff.
Alright, so here's the bottom. This is what it looks like. And this is a nitro one, so that's why it has a big hole in the back.
And it's also bigger than the slash bodies, if you guys...
Yes.
So you can't put a slash body on
So this is what it looks like. It is quite shiny and nice.
Not gonna lie.
Well, yeah. So it has all this stupid warning stuff and done that. Let's see what else.
But if you haven't had a nitro before, you should read that because it has break-in procedures, and it's very important because you will ruin your motor. That's what I've done before.
Yeah.
Bad idea.
So here's the Easy Start right there. There's the nice tune pipe and the exhaust. No, not the exhaust. The fuel tank. And yeah, that's basically it.
It's got 14mm hubs, I'm pretty sure. So if you are gonna, these are not stock like slash 4x4 wheels. These are Slayer wheels, but they are about the same size. It looks like the tire compounds. I mean, you know how stock slash stuff is. If you are gonna start running like, who knows what. If you're going to start running truggy tires or whatever, you're going to probably need to upgrade to 17mm hubs. It looks pretty much like a Revo. I mean, it is based off it. It just got shorter arms. Bumper. Okay.
So basically, a difference in a big about the Revo and this is different tires, tow rods, A-arms, and push rods and drive shafts, but everything else is the same. So if you have a Revo, you can probably switch out a bunch of stuff on there. And
yeah, it doesn't. It comes with one servo, so it's 25. It's a 27.5, so that should be plenty of steering for these tires. It's got a 2056 servo for the throttle, so I just usually throw a 27.5 in there. They work a little better. Suspension out of the box is okay. It's a little on the soft side. It should be good for braking in, but you're probably going to want to lift it a little bit if you're going to be doing anything.
And stiffen it a little.
Yeah. Comes with the resonated tuned pipe, 3.3 motor.
The tank is 150 cc, and this layout should give you about maybe 12 to 15 minutes of runtime if you're nice about it.
Yeah, and it, like I said before, it comes with an easy start system. You plug it in, it lights your glow plug for you and turns the motor over. It usually holds up for a little bit. It breaks after a while. It's just how it is.
And yeah, that's basically the car.
Alright.
And thanks for watching, and see you next time.